Yeah. Father God, I just wanna live life. Lamborghini loud pipes. Remember all the trial nights. Pull up in the Portuguese. 100,000 on me, yikes. For born to be what I'm going to be. Raindrops on me like a storm on me. He look at my trunk, but I'm on it. The devil keep trying to come conquer me. Smoking OG in the Fontaine. Dropping the deuce in the purely deuce. I don't got time for no foolery. I'm about to go drop on some jewelry.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? We made it to skill number 2. And we've made it to Doha, Qatar. I think that's in India.
I think it's beside India, like it's a little piece beside it. But I'm not sure.
We don't know where
we gotta find it on the map.
We don't know where we at, but we traveling though.
So
we want to check back in with you guys so we can go over the second skill that we have for you. And the second skill on being a real estate superhero is you have to know what type of ammunition and what type of weapons to use when it comes down to you actually saving the day.
Definitely.
All right, so if you want to save this house, if you want to save the house, we like giving multiple options. All right, now it separates us from a lot of people that's out there in the industry. You got real estate agents, you got regular investors, you got people that really don't know have any clue on what they're doing. But we're coming in there with a specific angle because, like I said, you have a service that you're providing to people. People actually have problems and they need your help, right? And so you're going to go in there as a superhero and you're going to provide them with the best option that's for them.
Like, of course, with every house or with every superhero, as far as a problem, you're going to have different solutions or different options that you can bring to the table. And so to every fight, you're not going to bring a gun. To every fight, you're not going to bring a knife. It just depends on who you're fighting and also the solution that you want to get from fighting. And so just having that in mind really helps you in picking which solution is best for you and your client.
Right.
Yeah.
So, guys, we have several options that we give to homeowners. So depending on whether the homeowner is going through specific types of problems, it's going to be up to you to be able to assess those problems. You want to go in there, really relate to the seller, really get their problems and their issues at hand, ask them a bunch of questions. It's really about them. It's not about you. And once you can get their issues and get their full story, that's when you can assess and see which solution will be best to them. A lot of people tell me they don't know how to sell, or they don't want to do real estate because they don't want to pressure anybody. They don't want to give a lowball offer, stuff like that. We don't do any of that. We're going to show you how you can be a real estate superhero without doing those things, because you're going in there, you actually want to listen to the person because they have a best solution for their house and their situation. So it's going to be up to you to find that. You don't want to go in there one-sided. You don't want to go in there with an agenda that's just for you. Go in there to actually solve a problem.
Of course, with the sales, like, different, don't go in there with the mindset of selling, because if you do, you're really just thinking about the money. And if you think about the money right then and there, it's just going to be temporary. You're not going to have a consistent flow of money coming in, which, of course, we all know about karma. Karma is real. So if you put money out, or if you're buying a house or taking a house, depending on which way you're going, just make sure you have the best interest and make sure that you're not going in there trying to sell everybody, trying to lie, none of that. You want to be truthful. And you're not trying to sell, you're just trying to provide solutions. That's it. You have a solution, that's it.
And luckily, guys, we got you covered when it comes down to knowing exactly what to say to the seller, knowing exactly what to do. We've done it so many times that we've kept track of everything as far as reactions, how to be able to get the best message across to the seller, how to get them to make a decision. So we're going to give you everything when it comes down to the rap, the actual script that you use with the sellers, the actual things that you do in the house.
With different scenarios.
Yeah, like what to wear, what to do when you get there, like all types of stuff. Like we want to make sure that you're good to go. So we want to give you everything when it comes down to exactly what to say to the seller. As long as you stay to the end of this series, we're going to provide you with everything that you need to know. When it comes down to telling sellers the different options, these are some of the options that we give to sellers. This is not the only options that's available. We like to give them first a chance to purchase their home. For us to purchase their home, we have to purchase it at a certain price. All right. So sometimes the seller situation, it doesn't fit with the price that you need to be able to buy it at. And so sometimes that option may not be the best one for them. So you have the option to be able to buy their house from them, and we're going to show you how you can buy it, even if you don't have any money, even if you don't have any credit, even if you don't know what you're doing.
No excuse.
We're going to give you just one-page contract, and that's actually going to help you to be able to purchase this house in a way unconditional way.
Right.
And so you either purchase the house or you can lease the house out. So you'll be the person or the company that have control of the house, and you'll go lease out the house. And that's called a lease option. We also have traditional retail sales. Say if you're a licensed agent or you know a licensed agent, the house may call for you to sell the house traditionally as a retail sale. That may be the best option for that seller or that house, so you don't want to dismiss that option for them. And there's several other options that we actually use as well. We're going to save that for, again, the end of the series so that we can give you and just dump everything on you so that you'll really be ready to go. So when it comes down to saving this house, you got to have the right weapons, you got to have the right ammunition, and so that's giving the right option to the seller. And then you don't have to do any sales. You just sit there, give them the options, and let them decide.
You just give them options, give them solutions, and have them choose. You're not choosing. It's not your house. So you have them choose, but also, make sure that you do stress to them which ones you feel, can be a win-win solution, because sometimes they don't know. They're just unknowing, or they think that they know everything and they really don't. And so make sure that you're just communicating with your client either way and let them know, the highs and lows of what's happening with any solution that you provide for them.
Even if you don't know anything about the solutions that we just named to you, don't worry about any of that right now. Our 7-day course literally takes you from 0 to 100 in just 7 days. And we provide everything for you, like everything.
Everything.
So the way we do real estate is totally different than a lot of people. So you definitely want to follow us for the rest of the series. Our next stop is Bangkok, Thailand. We're going to be able to give you skill number 3. That's going to help you to be able to get some financing, actually have you save the day. Real estate superheroes get paid pretty well. I can tell you that. That's how we're able to do this traveling right now. All through just being a real estate superhero. So we want to pass this knowledge on to you. We want to see you guys in the next video.
I know that he's sick of me. They chains on my neck cause a meal a piece. I don't even like to freestyle for free. I put in the key and I ride the beat. I don't even come out the house for free. I pay her to drive for me. Jay-Z couldn't even co-sign for me. I do what I want cause I'm signed to me. I get the bag. They get the bag cause the credit they have. Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible talk. My dough got a vertical, look at it hot. And it jump out the pot. Came out the jet and went straight to the top. Take it easy, baby. Middle of summer, I'm freezing, baby. Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm fascinated. Just so fine that I masturbated. Congratulations. She bring me so good that I graduated. They had to hate it. I'm focused, they plastic, baby. A trapper, baby. I rap, but I own all my masters, baby. It's tragic, baby. I pull up in traffic, baby. A savage, baby. I'm killing close casket, baby. You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it.